Opel Astra or Chevrolet Cruze, the same base. Changing of the wheel bearing. Look, if the car start make some noise and you're not sure what is the noise, what the side or front, rear, don't hurry up. Give him more time. The noise will increase, that it will higher. Look how must noise from the not good bearing. Shik, it's okay. Shik, it's from bearing or from brakes. But ooh, this is the noise from bearing. So let's change it. Now I will show how to do it, what kind of bearing I will use, and how much kilometers this bearing worked. So I removed the bearing. It was really very easy. No, because all greased. I put everywhere the grease and it was easy to remove. And check it this. The car did on this bearing 280,000 kilometers. And on the other side, bearing still okay. So, and what bearing to buy that it will work the same? I will show you. So this is the original bearing that did about 300,000 kilometers. This is the condition. Noises. Okay. It also has some little clearance. Refill it. And what brand of the bearing better to buy? I will text the brand that I know that is the same high quality, premium quality. It's this SKF, SNR, NSK, Koyo, Nachi, Timken. It's the bearing that I know, and it will work in the same time. All other China's bull beep, okay? And also very important moment, the bearing has ABS. This is the magnet, like sensor ABS, it located here, and it feeling this magnet and make signal to ABS. And cheapers China's bearing, this thing can be not okay. Like for example, it must be 200 lines, magnet lines. But in China's it has 180 and it will not working. You will have ABS light and will in any case will need to change to one good bearing. This new bearing cost about $130. Okay, but I not bought the brand new bearing. I went to the scrapyard and took used one. Yes, but original, in excellent condition. This car, it's from Vauxhall, from UK. This car has two kind of bearing, and I took all of them because I don't know what the size of this. And I found that the car has about 100 miles. It's about 160,000 kilometers. So I can drive, and it's excellent. It's excellent condition. It's very good. Also this one. And ABS sensor, you see? I will clean it. So I can drive about minimum 100,000 kilometers on this bearing. And I bought it for $5 each one. Yes. Now I will clean, I will grease all again and will install it. Also, look, this is original, not as I wrote the Nachi Koya, no. It has this brand, Ilgin. But I read and says that a lots of fake from China of this brand. You see, it has original part number. It's for 1.3 diesel.